Hello guys, and welcome to Tech Surgeon YT once again. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the new MidJourney 5.2 on the MidJourney Discord channel. So now before we go on with the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button right now and make sure to tap on the bell icon so that you get notifications to know whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. So now for you to use the new MidJourney 5.2, you're going to have to get a Discord account. So I am just assuming that you already have a Discord account, but if you don't have a Discord account, you can just come directly to discord.com and then you can create an account on Discord. You can also download the Mac version and you can also download for the Windows if you use a Windows PC. So now I'm just going to be opening Discord in my browser. I'm not going to be using the MacBook software application version of Discord. Now you can see right here, I am on my Discord account and I'm going to be coming directly to the MidJourney server. You can see the MidJourney server. So I'm just going to tap on that. And now you can see right here, this is the MidJourney server. Now, once you're on the MidJourney, you cannot actually check the version you're using directly here on the chat page. Now, for you to change your MidJourney version to the latest version, you're going to tap the slash and then you're going to add settings and then you're just going to enter that. Now once you tap on that, you can see it's sending command right here, and then you're going to be shown this panel. You can see this panel right here. I can see the MidJourney version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4, 5, 5.1. I can see right here I'm on the MidJourney version 5.2. So now you just tap on that and then you're going to be using the MidJourney 5.2. Now any prompt to use is going to use the latest version 5.2 to generate the prompt. So let's ask my search for a prompt like give me an image of an African superman in a city overrun with villains. And then just tap on that. So basically, it's going to be using the MidJourney version 5.2 to run this prompt as opposed to older versions of MidJourney. So basically, guys, that's all for this video. I hope the video was very helpful to you guys. I try to make it as short as possible. So if you have any issues with the video, make sure you tell me in the comment section below, and I'm going to be attending to your comment as quickly as possible. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video.